boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a wonderful song here from Mumford and Sons featuring Gracie Abrams. They did this prize fighter song, not the song, the album. It's the newest album from Mumford and Sons, the Grammy and Brit Award winners. And this one is, I believe, the 11th track or so on the album. A great song. And very simple to play, guys. So if you want to learn this song, then stay and we're going to learn together. Before we go on, check out this guitar, guys. This is the guitar, the winner on NAMM 2026. No, it's not, but it should be. It's a great guitar from Anchor Guitars. So if you want to have one of these, I play them regularly here on my channel. Then go and use my coupon code GordonGuitar10. Get 10% off. A great deal from already good price on their guitars. So yeah, feel free to use my coupon code and get one of these bad boys. Now let's go into this tutorial, and we're gonna use a capo and place it on the 3rd fret. That's the absolute best scenario, and with that we have 4 grips. We're gonna stay away from the chords, it's just picking patterns here. So 4 grips. Let's start with the E minor grip. So it goes like this. Okay, so what you're going to play here is the open E string in the bass together with a 2nd G string. And by the way, that's the only thing you need to hold here, the 2nd G. And then you continue with open B and then open high E. Then you repeat that 2nd G only, open B and open high E. And you have to listen for it to get the rhythm right. It goes like this. Okay, and that will be the rhythm for all of these 4 grips. Next one is the C, and you keep that 2nd fret G string throughout the song, okay? That will stay there. So now you have a new bass note for C, and that will be the 3rd fret A string. So that is the new grip you need to hold. So you're gonna play that 3rd A together with the 2nd G, and you continue with open B, open high E, then 2nd G again, open B, and open high E. For G, you have to hold now the 3rd fret E string as the new bass. And you play that together with 2nd G, then open B, and 3rd B. Then repeat that 2nd G, open B, and 3rd B. And the final grip is the D, and you're gonna play now the open D string as the new bass together with that 2nd G, then open B, 3rd B, and again 2nd G, open B, and 3rd B. And that will be the chord progression for most of the part of the song, like the verse play and even the chorus part of the chorus. Okay, so if we play this one round, it will be E minor, C, G, and D like this. Again. All right, so there you have it. And like I said, verse play and the starting of chorus, but then at 1 minute and 35 seconds in, where the chorus starts, you're gonna play like the C. You're gonna just switch order of the C and E minor. So you're gonna start with C and then go to E minor, and then you play G and D in the end there as usual. So at timestamps 28 seconds in, 1 minute and 17 seconds in, and 2 minutes and 14 seconds in. That is where the refrain goes, and that is where you're gonna play 2 rounds of that C, E minor start and G, D. So C, E minor, G, D, C, E minor, G, D, and then you go back and play that E minor, C, G, D for the rest of the song. So that is pretty much what you're gonna need to know for this song. Doesn't matter where you are in this song, you have these 3 timestamps 28-second, 1 minute and 17, and 2 and 14, where you switch turns there on the C and E minor. Otherwise, that is what's going on, guys. E minor, C, G, D, and that is how you handle Badlands from Gracie and Mumford & Sons. A great song. If you want to have more songs from this album, then leave me a comment. You could perhaps get your songs there. If not now, wish for it. We have Wish Wednesdays every Wednesday where you wish for a song, and yeah, it could be yours for the next coming Wednesdays. So, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Have a nice one, and play tuned.